Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 4. In video number 3, I already discussed preparation of alcohol from alkene, and in this video number 4, preparation of alcohol, I am going to tell you about preparation of alcohol second number from carbonyl compound, third by Grignard reagent, and fourth by fermentation. So let I start. Second number, preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound. But first, what is the carbonyl group? Carbonyl group C double bond O. C double bond O, carbonyl group. Alcohol ROH. So when hydrogen attach with carbonyl group C double bond O, so hydrogen attach with carbonyl group, so it is aldehyde group, and suffix of aldehyde group L. So IUPAC name, whenever attach RCHO, so alkane plus suffix of aldehyde CHO aldehyde and suffix for aldehyde L, so name is alkenyl. When two alkyl group attach with carbonyl group C double bond O, two alkyl group R, both side R, so it's RCOR, so its name is ketone and its suffix is on. So alkane plus suffix for ketone, so alkane plus on, so name combine alkenone. So CH3 CO CH3, one example I will take. So how many carbons here? 1, 2, 3. So propane and CH O, that is means C double bond O, ketonic group. So on suffix, so propane plus on, so name propanone. Acid group. In acid group also carbonyl group C double bond O. So RCOOH. So C double bond present in acid group, its alkane plus suffix of acid group is oic acid. So alkane plus oic acid, name IUPAC name is alkanoic acid. Next is group ester, and ester also C double bond O, carbonyl group RCOO group. So for ester suffix is oit group. So alkane plus oit, so combined way alkenoid, and alkyl side alkyl alkanoid. CH3 C double bond O OCH3. I will take this example. So its name is we select chain of carbonyl group C double bond O OCH3. So this is group CH3 C double bond O O. So lowest chain here 1 2 carbon. So it is substitute group, so name methyl, and 1 2 ethyl ethane plus suffix for ester C double bond O O oit, so ethanoid, methyl ethane plus oit, ethanoid. Okay, so carbonyl group first aldehyde group, second ketonic group, acidic group, and fourth ester. And after reduction always by sodium borohydride NaBH4, LiAlH4 lithium aluminium hydride. It is both reducing agent. Oxidation by KMnO4, potassium permanganate K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7, sodium dichromate. So it is a oxidizing agent. Mild oxidizing agent, we have to use PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Again I say pyridinium chlorochromate. So there are reducing agent, it is oxidizing agent, and it is pyridinium chlorochromate. It is mild oxidizing agent, and these are used in preparation of alcohol. Alcohol from carbonyl group in first by reduction of aldehyde and ketone. So aldehyde and ketone, in aldehyde and ketone carbonyl group are present. So when we reduct of aldehyde and ketone, so formation of alcohol. So we take reducing agents NaBHO4, BH4, sodium borohydride, and LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. Any one we take. So reduction of aldehyde, aldehyde RCHO. So reduction of aldehyde in the presence of reducing agent NaBH4, first step, and second water. So in the presence of first and second, alcohol are formed, RCH2OH. It is 1 degree alcohol are formed. One example, R in the chain of R, in the chain of R we take CH3 CH2 CH2. This group in the presence as a like R group, CH3 CH2 CH2, CHO aldehyde group. So we identify first it is aldehyde group. So whenever we take aldehyde, so 1 degree alcohol are formed, so that is means CHO convert into H2O, hydrogen take and H, so CH2OH. So butanol formation 1 butanol, because from aldehyde 1 degree alcohol are formed. So CHO convert into CH2OH, suffix for aldehyde L and suffix for alcohol ol. Then second, reduction of ketone, ketonic group RC double bond OR, so gives secondary alcohol. So RC double bond OR, so it considered as a R1, it is considered R2. It is ketonic group. Its reduction in the presence of sodium borohydride, and as you wish you take also sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride as you wish. And second step, water. So ketonic group, this bond is break, so C, one hydrogen upside and one hydrogen downside, so CHOH, so that is means 2 degree alcohol are formed. So we have to easily identify whenever we take aldehyde, so 1 degree alcohol are formed, and whenever we take ketonic group, so 2 degree alcohol are formed. And this is example of 2-butanol. So ketonic group present in this group and presents sodium borohydride and second water. So second position ketonic group break and CH hydrogen upside attach and downside, so that is means secondary alcohol are formed, and its name consider 1 2 3 4. How many carbons? 1 2 3 4 carbon, butane, OH group, all butanol, second position attached, so 2-butanol. So in the exam question is like this, RCHO in the presence of sodium borohydride, so and water, so which product are formed? So easily you identify this is reactant aldehyde, and in the presence of reducing agent NaBH4, that is means reduction of aldehyde, and whenever reduction of aldehyde, so 1 degree alcohol are formed, so product is 1 degree alcohol. Okay, next topic, mechanism of aldehyde. General we consider as a mechanism of ketone. So reducing agent NaBH4, step first, divide ionized Na plus and BH4 minus, and this BH4 minus open structure BHHHH, B minus. So this hydrogen attack at ketonic group R1 C double bond O R2, so ketonic group attach this hydrogen and this bond is break, so R1 CH and this electron gaining O minus R2, and here going to carbon and B boron 13 group of elements, so its valency satisfy, so BH3. Step second, this oxide ion R1CHO minus R2 again react with second step, react with water, and in water hydrogen gives its electron to oxygen and this hydrogen attach with oxygen, so R1 CHO accept hydrogen OH R2, and this is OH minus replace. So 2 degree alcohol are formed. And what is the 2 degree alcohol? This OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach to alkyl group, that is means 2 degree alcohol. So whenever we take aldehyde, so 1 degree alcohol are formed, and whenever we take ketonic group, so always 2 degree alcohol are formed. First step from by reduction of aldehyde and ketone, and second by reduction of carboxylic acid or ester. That is means here discussed by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. So RC double bond OH. So any compound you take lithium aluminum hydride, otherwise you take sodium borohydride. Here we take first step acid, take RC double bond OH, lithium aluminum hydride first step, and second water. So how many carbons we take? Formation of 1 degree alcohol, this bond is break, so 1H here, 1H, 1H here, 2H, and here 1H, because see 2H, 3 and 4, so total 4 hydrogen we take. So RCH2 OH, and this bond is break. This is this type. This double bond break, RCH2 OH. This is formation, and this double bond O with H2 replace. So 1 degree alcohol are formed. Like ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. So here you see COOH acid group, that is means 1 degree alcohol are formed. So in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, first and second water, so CH3CH2OH are formed. Benzoic acid we take. What is the benzoic acid? When C double bond OOH attach with benzene, it is known as benzoic acid. Reduction of benzoic acid in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, second step water. So this is 1 degree alcohol, C double bond OH. So double bond break, so H2 require O, H and H, CH2 and OH attach and H2O replace. So its name is one attached phenyl group. So one phenyl, methane plus all, methanol. Second ester, same reduction of ester, similar from carboxylic acid. So RC double bond OOR, reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, same double bond are break, 2 hydrogen here and 2 hydrogen here, and so RCH2, here's this type of bond, RCH2 OH 1 and here 1. So RCH2 OH and ROH. So we take R position, we take CH3 group, this R dash, we take CH2 CH3, this is the example. So whenever in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, so this bond is break. So CH3 C, 2 hydrogen require, 1 hydrogen, CH3 CH2 OH, alcohol are formed, and CH3 CH2 OH. So it's ethanol, and here ethanol, 1 to 2 carbon, ethane, OH suffix, all, ethanol are formed. This is example of benzoic way. So benzene ring, C double bond OO and CH2 CH3 are ester group, COOR. So RCOOR. So in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, that is means reduction. So this bond is break. So 2 hydrogen require with carbon, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen require with oxygen and 1 hydrogen, CH3 CH2OH, and here benzene ring, CH2OH. So 1 phenyl methanol and second CH3 CH2OH. So 1 phenyl methanol are formed and second is ethanol. Third is preparation of alcohol by Grignard reagent. It is very important, and maximum questions put up from according on the basis of Grignard reagent. First I discuss what is the Grignard reagent. RMgX, R alkyl, Mg magnesium, X halide, alkyl magnesium halide. So whenever we take alkyl magnesium halide, that is means Grignard reagent, so 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols are formed, that is means 3 types of alcohol are formed. So first discuss common reaction. This is C double bond O, carbonyl group, RMgX, Grignard reagent. So first step, this is RMgX, first this compound in which are electronegative. Otherwise, alkyl group always electropositive, but in Grignard reagent, metal are present, magnesium are present. Magnesium is alkali metal, so it is electropositive, delta plus. So R is electronegative. So and here C double bond O, carbonyl group. Oxygen is more electronegative comparison than carbon, so electronegative, and carbon electropositive. So electronegative part going to carbon and electropositive part going to oxygen. So this bond is break. So C bond this way, R attach at carbon, and MgX attach oxygen, OMgX, and it is intermediate. Then after hydrolysis, so this is bond is break, so OH attach from carbon and H attach with magnesium. So C alcohol are formed and MgXOH. So it is alcohol are formed, and it's also named hydroxy magnesium halide and magnesium hydroxy halide. So two types of compound are formed. So mechanism, step first, electronegative part attack at electropositive part, and electropositive part attack at electronegative. So first step, only this intermediate are formed, R attach C and OMgX. Step second, this intermediate react with water. So react with water, so magnesium part attack at hydrogen, oxygen, and then accept this hydrogen, and magnesium attach with OH. So this part are formed. Example, it's very important. So first example, formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent. So always 1 degree alcohol are formed. How it is possible? So see, for formaldehyde add CHO, and alkyl magnesium halide we take C6H5 MgBr. So in this magnesium electropositive, C6H5 electronegative. So this electronegative attack at carbon and electropositive attack at electronegative. So HC, C6H5 attach carbon, C6H5 attach at carbon. This is H, and MgBr attach at oxygen. So OMgBr. Then after hydrolysis, H2O react to H2O, and this bond is break. So here H and here OH. So HCOH, H, C6H5, C, 2 hydrogen attach, CH2OH. So and it MgOH-Br. So its name is 1 carbon, phenyl group attach, 1 phenyl methanol, 1 phenyl, 1 carbon methane plus all methanol. Second example, ethanol plus Grignard reagent. So formation 2 degree alcohol. Ethanol, that is means CS3CHO, 2 carbon, that is means ethanol. And Grignard reagent, I will take example C2H5 MgBr, RMgX. So electropositive Mg and C2H5 electronegative. So attack at electropositive carbon, and Mg attack at oxygen. So CS3, CH, C2H5 attack at carbon, C2H5, and MgBr attack at oxygen, OMgBr. Again second step, water hydrolysis. So this bond is break, here H and here OH. So C2H5, C, CS3C, CS3H, OH. So C chain we are select. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So second hydroxy group. So 2 and 4 carbon, 2, 3, 4. So 2 butanol. Third example, ketone plus Grignard reagent. So formation 3 degree alcohol. Ketone example I will take CH3, C double bond O, CH3, propanol, 1, 2, 3, propane, and suffix ketone, suffix for ketone on, propanol. And I will take example of Grignard reagent C2H5 MgBr. Mg electropositive, C2H5 electronegative, attack at electropositive, and MgBr attack at electronegative. So this bond CS3 C C2H5 attach and O MgBr, and this is CS3. Second step, hydrolysis. This bond is break, H here and OH here. So CS3 C C2H5 CS3 and OH. So its name is select V chain. This is select the chain. So 1 2 second carbon methyl group and OH group. So 2 methyl and 4 carbon. So butane 2 all and MgOHBr. So in 3 example, whenever common reagent is Grignard reagent but different aldehyde group, whenever Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, so 1 degree alcohol are formed. Grignard reagent react with ethanol, so 2 degree alcohol are formed, and Grignard reagent react with ketone, so 3 degree alcohol. And it is most important preparation method of alcohol. Reason, because by this method 3 types of alcohol are formed: 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree.
चालू करा.
By fermentation method, this is fourth method, preparation of alcohol, fermentation method, and this method extensively most useful for industrial production of ethanol. So C12H22O11, so it is sucrose, and hydrolysis of sucrose in the presence of invertase enzymes glucose and fructose are formed. So fermented by glucose, I will take glucose, otherwise fructose. C6H12O6, fermented by gymase enzyme, and gymase enzyme presents glucose divide into form ethanol and CO2. So ethanol, it is common compound and most useful in everyday life, and it is production as a industrial way. So this method important for industrial. So property of ethanol: first, distillation of final solution produces azeotropic mixture obtained by membrane technology. It is very important property of ethanol, because distillation we have to use in distillation. So we take solution prepare of ethanol, 95% we take ethanol and 5% water. So ethanol compound are formed, solution are formed. Second, it's colorless liquid, boiling point 351 Kelvin, and fourth, as a solvent in banned industries and used in preparation of a number of organic compounds. So its property of ethanol and use. So preparation of alcohol are over, and in next video I will discuss next topic. Thank you so much.